Tabby cats are some of the most popular and beloved felines in the world, yet many people don't realize just how special they truly are. While tabby isn't a breed but rather a coat pattern, these cats have a long history, fascinating genetics, and a host of unique traits that make them stand out. From their ancient origins to their surprising intelligence, tabby cats are more than just adorable companions, they are living pieces of feline history. Here are 5 awesome facts that make tabby cats remarkable. One of the most interesting things about tabby cats is that they are the oldest known domestic cat type. Their lineage can be traced back thousands of years to the wildcats of the Middle East and Africa. Particularly the African wildcat, Felis libica, which shares the same distinctive tabby markings. Ancient Egyptians were among the first to domesticate these cats, valuing them for their hunting skills and protective nature. Over time, tabbies spread across the world, adapting to different environments while retaining their iconic markings. Even today, the majority of feral and stray cats tend to have tabby patterns, as this coat provides natural camouflage that helps them survive in the wild. Another fascinating fact about tabby cats is that they all share a unique marking on their foreheads, the famous M shape. This marking is present in every tabby cat, regardless of their specific pattern, and has inspired various myths and legends. Some stories claim that the M stands for Mao, the Egyptian word for cat, while others believe it represents the Prophet Muhammad, who was said to have had a great love for cats. In Christian folklore, it is said that the Virgin Mary placed the mark on a tabby cat's forehead as a sign of gratitude after it comforted baby Jesus. Regardless of its origin, the M marking is one of the most distinctive and recognizable features of tabby cats. Tabby cats come in a variety of patterns, each with its own unique characteristics. The 4 main tabby patterns are classic, mackerel, spotted, and ticked. The classic tabby, also known as the blotched tabby, has large swirls and bold markings, often resembling a marble pattern. The mackerel tabby, the most common type, features narrow stripes running parallel down its sides, making it look like a tiny tiger. Spotted tabbies, like Bengal cats, have spots instead of stripes, while ticked tabbies, such as Abyssinians, have almost no visible stripes on their bodies but instead display a speckled or salt and pepper effect. These patterns are the result of genetic variations that have been passed down through generations. Ensuring that every tabby cat has a one-of-a-kind coat. Another reason tabby cats are so incredible is their intelligence and adaptability. These cats are known for being highly curious, playful, and problem-solving. Many tabby owners notice that their cats quickly learn new tricks, figure out how to open doors, and even manipulate their humans into giving them extra treats. Some studies suggest that tabbies, especially those with wildcat ancestry, tend to have a more independent streak and heightened survival instincts. This makes them excellent hunters and explorers, always eager to investigate their surroundings. Despite their intelligence, tabby cats are also incredibly affectionate and social, often forming strong bonds with their owners and displaying a wide range of emotions. Finally, one of the most heartwarming facts about tabby cats is their role in history and pop culture. Some of the most famous cats in the world have been tabbies, including Larry, the chief mouser of the UK government, and Freya, the cat of former British Chancellor George Osborne. Even beloved fictional cats like Garfield, Heathcliff, and Puss in Boots all shared the tabby pattern. Many sailors in the past believed tabby cats brought good luck on long voyages, leading to their presence on ships as both companions and skilled pest controllers. Even today, tabby cats continue to be some of the most sought-after and cherished pets due to their charming personalities and distinctive coats. With their ancient history, striking markings, unique patterns, intelligence, and cultural significance, tabby cats are truly extraordinary. Whether they're curled up on a cozy couch or prowling through a backyard with the grace of their wild ancestors, these cats never fail to capture the hearts of those who meet them. If you're lucky enough to have a tabby cat in your life, you have not only a wonderful pet but also a living piece of feline heritage.